What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let us know what you think about the video. Let us know what you think about everything. Join the Discord, click the bell icon, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into this one. We got a boring old Nike sportswear box, which we're just gonna ignore and go straight to the label. So this is a pair of Nike Air Max Systm. So System, spelt in a bit of a different way. The colorway is black, white, wolf grey, US 11, UK 10, centimeters 29, BR 43, Euro 45, and the style code is DM9537001, and they're made in Vietnam. Let's get straight into this one. So we got Nike Air Max System. Straight off the bat, you know, anyone can tell or think or say that they look like kind of a knockoff or a rip-off version of the Air Max 1. I definitely agree with that. It is like a cheaper version of the Air Max 1. You know, it's more of a value version, which Nike are starting to do. I like it, man, because we're in a cost of living crisis. You have to have alternatives and still have good shoes. So let's get on with the bottom. So that's the Air Max logo on the bottom. Well, it just says Air, but that's how Nike writes Air. Nike swoosh. And then very similar bottom to the Air Max 1. Haven't seen one in a long while because I really haven't bought any for ages, but roughly similar or same. You know, it's obviously different because it's this trainer to the Air Max 1. Midsole, still same style as the Air Max 1. All white midsole with the lines. It does feel kind of cheaper, to be honest. It's, you know, this material, it's not cheap, it's just cheaper than the Air Max 1. Then we've got a big slab of plastic there that says Air Max, and then on the other side, same thing, big slab of plastic that says Air Max. Then we have, like, Nike love using this now, the tape type thing, the no-sew stuff. Then we've got a swoosh. On the Air Max 1 it will be placed like here. We've got this more back. Then it's got mesh. It does feel like a kind of a cheaper version of mesh. You know, you can tell the quality difference of the mesh on this and the Air Max 1. More mesh on the upper. And then we've got a suede toe guard, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it does feel cheaper. Like, you can tell that it's not premium materials, but it's still decent. But it's still, you know, it is the cheaper version. So around the 60, 70, 80 pound mark. I can't remember the full price of these. I think the retail's a bit more, but I got them around 60ish. The back, it's got the Nike Air, very similar to the very similar to the Air Max 90, what they have on the back, but this one's, you know, kind of like an odd type, a nubuck type crossed with leather, and then Nike Air stitched in. Then we've got laces, standard laces. Even these laces, they are standard, but they just feel a bit different, but I know that's in my head. Then we've got Nike swoosh on the tongue, and it says Air System. Usually I don't see Nikes actually have like the name of it just written there like that. Nike don't usually do that. And then what's quite different in this one is it's got like a neoprene type sock liner thing. You know, that's quite different. Like, they don't all have that, but this pair does. So neoprene sock liner is quite different. They do have like things like that, like in the Air Max 90, but it's not really neoprene, it's more like mesh. And then on the slightly cheaper pairs, Nike all have this comfort insole stuff going on. So they say it's suitable for all day wear, stuff like that. And then if you can see, it's got like the foam insole. To be honest, nothing too special there. But yeah, overall, decent pair of trainers. For the cheaper market, definitely, you know, not premium materials, not high end, good regular shoe. Definitely for the price you pay these days, you're gonna get what you pay for, type of thing. Not necessarily saying it's gonna be rubbish because you're paying less. But I'm saying sometimes you might pay more and you might get rubbish pairs as well. But this is, you know, bang on average, good, decent shoe, day-to-day shoe. Like not premium at all, but not cheap as anything. Like it is a good shoe, it's a decent shoe. Especially on sale prices, you can grab a pair for like around 60 quid, which I say, you know, cost of living, not everyone can afford expensive shoes, so why not? But yeah, let me know what you think of these. Tell me if you like them, tell me if you hate them, tell me if you rate them. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Join the Discord if you wish. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video. I'll also post it separately. And make sure you take care, my people.